What are the different types of three-phase induction electric motors? Three-phase induction motors are workhorses of the industrial world, known for their reliability, efficiency, and robust construction. They are classified primarily based on their rotor design. 1. Squirrel cage induction motor. Most common type, simple and economical. Rotor, bars and end rings form a cage with induced currents. Advantages: low cost, low maintenance, high efficiency, robust. Disadvantages: fixed speed, limited starting torque. Applications: pumps, fans, conveyors, compressors, machine tools. 2. Wound rotor induction motor, slip ring motor. Complex but versatile, rotor windings connected to slip rings and brushes. Rotor windings allow variable resistance control for starting and speed adjustment. Advantages: variable speed, high starting torque. Disadvantages: higher cost, higher maintenance, lower efficiency. Applications: cranes, hoists, elevators, large fans, wind turbines. Further classifications: based on enclosure, open drip roof, ODP, totally enclosed fan-cooled, TEF, explosion-proof, X-proof. Based on mounting, foot-mounted, flange-mounted. Based on number of poles, determines synchronous speed, RPM. Based on starting methods, direct online, DOL, star delta, soft starter. Additional special types: high slip motors, designed for variable speed with low starting current. Brake motors, integrated braking mechanism for quick stopping. Explosion-proof motors, for hazardous environments with flammable materials. Deep dive. Understanding the specific needs of your application is crucial for choosing the right motor type. Here is a deeper dive into some key factors. Starting torque. Squirrel cage motors have limited starting torque, while wound rotor motors offer higher torque for demanding applications. Speed control. Squirrel cage motors offer fixed speed, while wound rotor motors offer variable speed control through resistance adjustment. Conclusion: cost and maintenance. Squirrel cage motors are cheaper and easier to maintain, while wound rotor motors require more maintenance due to slip rings and brushes. Efficiency. Both types can be highly efficient, with squirrel cage motors generally having a slight edge.